99% of people don't realize the risks of using regular cameras in high vibration environments. Whether it's on a moving vehicle or in a factory with heavy machinery, traditional cameras often fall short. Today, we introduce the ACTi vibration-proof camera, designed to provide stable monitoring even under extreme conditions. ACTi's vibration-proof cameras are used across 7 industries. In transportation, they monitor safety inside train cabins or bus luggage areas. In logistics, they keep a close eye on warehouse gates and loading zones, ensuring every detail is captured. For manufacturing, the cameras operate smoothly around assembly lines and heavy equipment, helping to prevent accidents. At construction sites, they record crane operations and construction machinery, ensuring worker safety. On marine vessels, they provide reliable surveillance on the deck and cargo holds, safeguarding the journey. In mining, these cameras excel near conveyor belts and excavators, maintaining stability under extreme conditions. And the best part? ACTi offers 30% to 50% lower prices compared to competitors like Axis, delivering top-notch quality at a fraction of the cost. If you need a reliable surveillance solution for challenging environments, the ACTi vibration-proof camera is your best choice. Visit our website through the link in the comments to discover more surprises.